Are you in a race to keep up with the fast-paced world of life science discoveries and clinical development, where the need for cutting-edge instruments is constant? The demand for next-generation solutions, driving higher data output, cost efficiency, and superior imaging quality for applications like next-generation sequencing, next-generation proteomics, and spatial biology is at an all-time high. Yet existing off-the-shelf microscopy solutions fall short, pushing you into an endless search for better answers. Why? Off-the-shelf solutions can't bridge the gap. Premium custom design solutions are promising, but may not meet your timeline or budgetary requirements. IDEX Health and Science sets a new standard with our Melles Griot XPLAN CCG lens series fluorescence microscope imaging systems. Access superior quality optics with off-the-shelf lead time. We enable the rapid development of breadboard instruments for NGS, proteomics, and spatial biology applications. What sets our XPLAN CCG lens series apart? Let's talk about the features and benefits. The field of view is up to 4 times existing off-the-shelf premium lenses, translating to high data throughput and faster run times. It offers a 100% usable field of view compared to 10 to 40% on other premium lenses, meaning more usable data, fewer runs, and lower reagent costs. In just 6 weeks, you can have custom performance without the headaches, completing a breadboard design with high-precision optics and a quick time to market. Our lens series gives you access to custom objective and tube lens solutions without non-recurring upfront engineering expenses. A unique feature is the configurable cover glass thickness. One design form can offer up to 1.1 millimeters of cover glass compatibility compared to one predetermined thickness option or cumbersome correction collar adjustments. Accelerate your development process by contacting us about this game-changing technology. The IDEX Health and Science Melles Griot XPLAN CCG lens series enables your next-generation life science instrument development. Visit idex-hs.com/xplan to learn more.